Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming and supporting my channel. If you've been around for a while, I really appreciate you coming back. Over the weekend, it was beautiful here in Arizona. It was sun shining. It was gorgeous. So I thought we would have some outdoor fun and play with some chalk. I'll insert a couple photos of my darling daughter's chalk designs. They are 4 and 2, so not artists, but we had a lot of fun playing with the chalk. That being said, my husband did get a little bit sunburnt. It happens, I know. It's not the most ideal. Sunscreen is always a great option, but since it happened, now we are going to react to that and help him feel better. So how we are going to do that is we are going to do an after sun spray. All of these items are really easy to come by, and I would love to help you with getting the essential oils if you're not already working with a wellness advocate. So what you will need is an amber glass bottle with a spray top. I got this off of Amazon, so I'll link it below. You'll need some witch hazel. You'll need some aloe vera, which I got this big jug at Walmart. I believe the witch hazel came from Walmart too. And then you'll need doTERRA peppermint, which is really cooling. It'll help cool down the skin and it just feels really good. It's really cooling. And you'll need doTERRA lavender. And now the lavender is really good for health soothing burns and just help the skin healing itself. As you know, lavender is very soothing in general. People use it a lot in bath products or to help them sleep, and it is also very soothing to the skin, which is why it's here. I have a half a cup measuring cup, and I have a half a tablespoon because my tablespoon is in the wash. So we are going to use 4 of the half tablespoons for it. All right, so I will now link the recipe so you guys can see that. Take a screenshot if you want and save it. And we will start the process here. So you need half a cup of witch hazel. And I don't know if this has ever been opened before. Nope, so we are gonna open my witch hazel. Apparently I ran out of the opened one, which is fine. Sorry about that, you guys. So we're pouring in the half a cup of witch hazel. This did not get closed all the way. Oh. Don't you love DIYs and the mess that they can make? We're getting this all filled up here. Luckily, it's just witch hazel and it'll come right off of my table, no problem. Okay, now I wish I had a funnel, but I don't know what happened to my funnel, so I'll need to order some new ones. But I would recommend like getting a shot glass funnel to do this. You know what? I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I don't have a funnel, like I said. What I do have though is I have a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, and the 2-year-old is learning how to take, liquid medications through like one of those cups, but I still have syringes from when we took syringe medication. So we are going to fill up my witch hazel into a syringe and then put it into the cup. So this is going to take a few minutes, and I'm sorry about that. So, how is everyone doing? How is everyone doing? You having a good day? I will speed up this footage. I am new to editing, so I'm going to try to speed up this part of the footage for you guys. You know what, I'll just stop this. Okay, so we improvised, and now we have the half a cup of witch hazel here in this amber glass bottle. The next step will be to do 2 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. So we're gonna try and do this as quickly as possible for you guys. And I am making a little bit of a mess, but things can be cleaned up. DIYs can be a little tricky, but at least everything can get clean. So 1 more half a tablespoon. All right, so now we have all of those ingredients in. The last step is adding in the essential oils. So you'll need 10 drops of peppermint and 10 drops of lavender. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the peppermint, and then 10 of the lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that comes out a little bit quicker than the peppermint did. Then you'll put your lid back on your bottle. I have a label maker, so I will make a label for this for an after sun spray. If you have a label maker, you can do that, or you can just buy labels and write on them. And then you want to shake it well before each use, okay? Shake it, shake it, shake it. And then, let's say my arm had a sunburn. You just want to spray over your sunburn and have it be soothing and relaxing to the burn. So the aloe vera is good for a sunburn, so is the witch hazel, the peppermint, and the lavender. The peppermint will add a really cooling sensation. If you are a nursing mother or or close to that, like you're in your 3rd trimester and you're concerned about your milk supply, I might omit the peppermint because peppermint can reduce milk supply. However, if that is not a concern for you, you can add it. It'll just be really cooling and soothing to the skin. I have a weekly newsletter for everyday healthy habits in 5 minutes or less, and I would love for you to sign up for that. In order to get that, you can get my free ebook on 24 ways to use lemon, lavender, and peppermint in your home. It has tons of DIYs, and I'll start featuring some of those DIYs here so you guys can get the ebook and see some of those DIYs. I hope you have a great day, and God bless.